Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Who's ready for today markets? Good morning, Lizzie, ABS, Clifton, Ash. Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss the Monday. First week, for trading session for this year. Let's get right to it. Remember, guys, before we go further, our content here is for education purpose only. So as we said, we've got some action. The market is doing all right. We got MNTS jumping 58%, SMXT jumping right now as well, 38%. VRME the same, jumping 64%. Those the stock that just came right now, guys, before the market open. The other ones that might do all right is NOBX. Watching it closely for a breakout around 46. Might be good if we held over the 39. Mask didn't do anything because it didn't break the 33. It went back down toward the 25. And SIDU, the same, it need to break the 535 for today. Now it's still pulling back down. Welcome everybody. The market is green. Market is a bit of green, and we'll see if we're gonna hold this gain at the market open or not. We'll see if we're gonna have some action, especially for Palantir. Hopefully, we're gonna get major reaction and buying pressure for it, at least around the 178.80. Now it is 4%. We need 5, 6, yeah, 7% up will be great. B 5%, APLD the same, 4%. Here we got a really good action for the market for today. Intel 4%. Marvel the same, doing all right, 4%. This one, guys, have a reverse let. This one have a reverse let right now. David, for now, we got a few stocks that might be good to watch. We got MNTS and VRME. Again, David, if you can hear me on the live streaming, for day trade stocks, as I said before, is too risky, brother. So be careful. If you want to trade those stocks, just trade with 10% of your portfolio, not a lot, because they are unpredictable. MOBX, SMXT, looking interesting. So the best candidate for today, we got MNTS and VRME. Both of them looking good as long as we hold the current first support. For VRME is the 94, and the current resistant breakout to confirm that we're going to have a nice day is the 134, then 155. So we have to break the 117 and hold over the 94. The next one, MNTS, have a support over the 787. We need to hold this level to break the 946 and go toward the 1060 and the 1236. Those the best technically stocks. The rest is a maybe, especially for IDU and Mask. So MOBX, yes, and SMXT. But yeah, VRME and MNTS. MNTS number one right now. MNTS is still number one right now. Yeah, we got 9 minutes left for today. We see a green day. Yes, we have a breakout now for MNTS, guys. MNTS looking it's really strong right now. As we said before the breakout, MNTS is the strongest. So we have early breakout, everybody. Early breakout for MNTS. So we got MNTS and VRME. Yeah, MNTS looking interesting for now. SIDU is still going down, guys, so it's a bit risky here. It's pulling back a lot. I will wait for SIDU to fill the gap around the 450 maybe. Would be great. Okay, MNTS is getting near a major resistance, guys. So it might be a bit dangerous now if we didn't break the 1068. So this area, we might get halted up if we broke it around the 1068. If we didn't, it means we're gonna go down to test the support over the 8. So now I'm gonna adjust another support, everybody. Just over the $8.88, yes. So if we held, it would be great, guys, for MNTS. Yeah, the only stock that look all right. $8.88 is the current support, everybody. Karina, thank you for the reminder. For almost 5K return so far, or half a million. Happy New Year, Xander. Santush, we got a consolidation for SGBX, one of the top gainer before, and ECDA. I will check if they are good. DVLT, I was checking it early on in the pre-market, but I don't like it that much. Yeah, it's gapped up. Is about to retest the 140. Yeah, 140, it is the current breakout, DVLT. Yeah, maybe I will keep it on the main list because yeah, it's up 30%. SGBX is not consolidating, is found bottom, that's why it's reversed now, but is not completely safe below the 230. Is not completely safe below the 230, so be careful. Look okay after this reversal from the 180, but technically it's still dangerous below the 230. ECDA, it didn't consolidate, man. It's free falling, this one. I will not suggest to load up here. It's too dangerous. Broke the 70, maybe it would be good to watch. But yeah, for now we only got MNTS, one of the top unicorn for today and day trade stocks. Trending stocks: Nvidia, CVX, MU, and Palantir. We got stocks got reverse split. I think VVC, MNTS, CHRS. I think I already checked this one. CHRX. CHRS. No, not good. Hmm. Yeah, so MNTS, we still have a buyer for it. So far, so good. We got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left at the market open. Hopefully, we're gonna get some green for today for the market. Guys, hit the like button on the way and don't forget, we always go live every day to discuss the market every day to hunt 30 minutes before the market open. And of course, before that on our Discord and Patreon. Welcome everybody. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. We got a huge day for today. Okay, so we got few seconds left. Let's get right to it, guys. Let's get right to it. MNTS is on the top list of the day trade stocks. We'll see if we're gonna have some action. Okay, lift off. 74% for MNTS for now. VRME, nothing much. SMXT, nothing much. MOBX. Mask is going up, but it's still resistant around the 1 or 33 cents. Yeah, we got 28 cent is the support. DVLT jumping big right now. We have confirmed support over the 129 and bottom 119. It's getting near a major resistance around 142. Let's see here. RDHL, nope. This one is kind of selling off. SIDU, not for today. Lunar, SLS. Okay. I'm lowering this support here. SMXT. Yeah, DVLT and mask looking great. And the rest, maybe I'll take it from the list. MNTS, testing our resistance and profit taking around the 1068. Make sure to take profit there, guys. I expect a pullback here. MNTS testing a major resistance, everybody. So it's better to take profit right now around this level for MNTS because I expect a pullback anytime soon. Welcome everybody. MNTS, as we said, tested our resistance to profit taken around the 1070. As we said, this one, guys, was the best trade for today. As we see, DVLT tested our resistance and profit taking and pulled back. So be careful. Musk still need to test the 33. As long as we hold the 28, Musk would be great. As you see here, we got a nice breakout for it around those levels. And now trying again. MNTS is still trying to break the 1072. If we broke, we might have the 1236. MNTS looking fantastic. MNTS. If we broke, we might have another jump up. Yeah, if we broke, we're gonna have another jump up, guys, for MNTS because it's just hugging the resistance. Just hugging the resistance right now for MNTS. Yeah, we got a breakout, kind of. Yeah, almost around the $11. Adjusting the support now around the 945. Yeah, MNTS is the top gainer. BVC, no. MNTS, CHRS, nope. Nope. RGC, INBS, breaking out on light volume. MNTS, we have another breakout from the 11. 1236 is the next level. VRME pulling back, guys. So it didn't break the 117. That's why it's pulling back toward the 94 and 78 support. DVLT pulling back from the 144. So the only one that doing all right, guys, is MNTS. The only unicorn for today is MNTS. MNTS is the only one for today, guys. MNTS, Ash, what's the good price? The good price was first just here around $9.45. We discussed it before the market open here on the live streaming. And the second entry was here around the 11 because we have a breakout now. And I suggest to take profit any time now, a little bit, and then around the 1236 because we might have a pullback really soon, guys. I don't suggest entering really high because this is technically the second breakout here, and this is the third breakout. Yeah, it's really risky. At the third, fourth breakout, the trade will be really risky unless the news are strong. Fizz, gonna be great Monday. Why? Why is that? There's a reason. You are welcome, Ash. So MNTS still trying, guys, to go up. Yeah, and I think we're gonna have a pullback anytime soon here. It's a bit dangerous around this zone, which is the 1236 or 1233. Yes, expect to pull back anytime soon here, just below the 1233. Now we hit the 1167 for MNTS. VRME pulling back, Musk pulling back, DVLT pulled back, and now it's trying up again. You see, MNTS is still strong, holding really tight, just around the 1233. Okay, we have a pullback. Mask is still holding, DVLT is still holding here. Checking top gainers again. If we got something, VSNT, I don't know if we have it here on the list. VSNT, we get TMDE. Let's check. We got VSNT. Wait a second. VS. Why it is down? Yeah, is down big here. TMDE light on volume, so I will pass on this one. Yeah, still MNTS is number one. Let's see the stocks that been halted right now. We got BVC, TMDE, which is light on volume, halted twice, I think. IMBS is halted as well at the market open, but now it's unhalted. So yeah, MNTS, guys, is the strongest. As you see here, guys, we don't have any pullback for it. Now the pullback might happen. However, if we held over the 959 would be great. 959, guys, it is the level that we should watch out for MNTS to reverse. Karina, ASST, what's going on with it? I will double check. ASST. Yeah, it looked okay. It reversed from the 73 and now it is around almost the $1 territory. So it's getting really juicy. Yeah, it's not bad. We have a really good gap around the 88. So it's about to test a major level of resistance around the $1.04. Yes, $1.04 could be a good candidate for a test. But yeah, there's a switch in the fundamental for it. 88, it was a level that we had to break. However, yes, MNTS is still okay, but now it's pulling back. Finally, we have a little pullback. The pullback should hold over the 945 if we want to go up again. Yes, we need to hold in order to go up again around the 945. Everybody. VRME started to pull back up. Not bad. I think we got a little support here. We held over it around the 93. VRME might be the top gainer if it hold. Yeah, we got Mask and DVLT start to reverse up, guys. Watch out. 144 it is, or 45. It is the breakout zone for DVLT. For Mask, it is around the 33. So we did a nice reversal here. MNTS pulling back. Let us check if we got something hidden here. Yeah, IMBS is still light on volume. ASTI. You see, guys, we got a lot of stock jumping, but on light volume, they are unpredictable. They could sell off at any minute. I will pass on them. Yeah, DVLT, we got a really good volume, almost 37 million. 40% up. It's about to break a critical zone here, guys. Yeah, critical zone is about to be broken for this stock. Yeah, we got a few levels to go. DVLT, guys, 40% for now. Yeah, not bad for today. Yeah, DVLT, we got a breakout. Watch out, guys. DVLT started to move. Finally, we have a mover. Yeah, DVLT start to move. We got a level now to test around the 158. If everything went well, yes, the 158, we should test it. So I'm gonna put DVLT now first and then MNTS because MNTS already tested the resistance around the 1144. So yeah, DVLT is number one right now. It did a really good reversal at the market open. Okay, Beyond Meat is in red a little bit. Yeah, 95, it is a huge resistance for Beyond Meat. Nice. Beyond Meat had another return. Yeah, another return, almost 1 million. We need half a billion for Beyond Meat to squeeze. DVLT pulling back a bit. Okay, MNTS have a little bit of reversal up. Yeah, not bad here. Checking again the stock that been halted for now. ASTI is halted with TMDE. TMDE, I think already checked it here. It was light on volume, I think. Okay, let's double check it. TMDE. Oh yeah, this one was on light on volume, but it still halted, guys. It halted once, twice, three times, four, no, three, four times. It's halted three or four times. Every second it gets halted. But yeah, it's getting near an inch. Yeah, now it's unhalted. I think it's gonna pull back now, guys. Tested the $1.04, which is the current resistance. You see, just in time. Watching it for a pullback around the 77. TMDE, guys, the resumption. BVC, ASTI. Let's see ASTI if it's look good. ASTI did a really good job, but again, is halted twice. But the problem is, man, is still currently light on volume, so I don't trust it that much. But the volume could change later on, so I'm gonna keep it here on the watch list just in case. I think we got some news for it. Yeah, files, the 8K. For now, yeah, watching the $6 test for ASTI and TMDE $1.04 breakout, but both of them are really light on volume. Yeah, as you can see here, TMDE is resumed. BVC, I think it is on the light. Yeah, we got, I think, acquisition. That's why I jumped big time here. Jumped from the 1 toward the 14, 800%. So it's not ideal. Yeah, we still halted, guys, for ASTI. This one might change later on for the technical because now the volume is dead, kind of. So it's too dangerous to trade. Maybe I will wait a little bit after the test around the $6. So it might change the technical. TMDE, on the other hand, we got a breakout now after the, no, not breakout yet, but almost around the 104. But yeah, it looked way better than ASTI. At least the volume is picking up. Yeah, interesting day, man. Interesting day. So, guys, Beyond Meat is still holding the level for the second time for the first week for this year. So we have to discuss where the price will go for this month and at least this week for Beyond Meat, and are we gonna have the squeeze that we're waiting for? Because the price is not too much down. The short is not heavily like before. We have a bit of fighting from the buyers, so there's a chance that we're gonna have a switch coming up pretty soon. So we have to prepare for that. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So look at this level for Beyond Meat, guys. Today the volume is okay. It's getting almost 10 million. In the pre-market, we were getting near the breakout around the 95, which is the new level that we should watch out for here around almost the 96. We went until the 92, and market open, or before the market open, we have a pullback. However, this pullback is still not below the 80 cent. So we have a little pullback, and now we're still hovering around 86, not the 81. So as long as we consolidate inside this channel, is mean we are still preparing for a switch from the bearish to the bullish. Let me just give you an example, because last time we had this kind of scenario. We have the pullback here. It happened at the market open, then we pulled back, we consolidated for almost 1 week. After that, we escaped from this channel and we squeezed 100%. This was last year at the end of the December or November. And now we have the same trend here. We still pulling back and we still consolidated. And then the breakout should happen around the 96 to confirm the breakout. And of course, the squeeze that we're waiting for toward the 120 and the $2 and beyond. So now we're still inside the channel. As you see here, the last channel, we've been inside of it a lot of time. Let me just show you here. We've been consolidated for 1 month. And this channel, on the other hand, is exactly the same time as 1 month or just 33 days. Before we have 31 days. So we should have an imminent breakout, but confirmation, guys, the confirmation for breakout once we break the 96. Because if we didn't break the 96, it mean we're not ready yet. If we don't break this channel, it mean we're not ready yet, and we might have a pullback toward the 80 and maybe even the 66 and 50. This is the worst case scenario. But the best case scenario is holding here over the 81, consolidating between the 96 and 81. After that, breaking the 96, this is will give us 37%, 79, or 150% for the best case scenario toward the $2.19. But if in the meantime, just keep your eyes closed for the 96 resistance and the 81 support, at least for this week, because we might have this reaction coming up pretty much this week. Let us do another checkup here. Yeah, ASTI unhalted, guys. Tested the first profit taken around the $6.69 and pulled back precisely. And now it's going down. The volume is picking up around the 670. Not bad. Musk is pulling back as well. I'm gonna lower the resistance for it around this level, the 31. So far so good for this one. VRME getting near the breakout zone. TMDE the same, getting near the breakout zone around the 105. MNTS, guys, is time for a pullback, but I will give it at least around the $8.88 if we're gonna have a reversal now. DVLT, it pulled back a lot. So yeah, let me just put the main one is now TMDE because it's breaking out VRME. ASTI is too dangerous. MNTS, yes. Yeah, those three that it might be good to watch before the close for today. We're gonna do update, of course, later on, guys. Don't forget, we're gonna do a major update on our Discords and Bitcoin before the close for today. So keep your eyes closed for this update that we're gonna do later on our Discord and Patreon on the unicorn hunt. We're gonna narrow down the list and of course update the chart for the best trading stocks for today. Um, yeah, ASST did a really great jump, but I don't trust it that much. Yeah, they are in big trouble because in short is really risky play. If you want to short is technically unlimited if the price go on against you. Anyway, guys, we gotta do a major update as we said later on our Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, see you all back by tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open on YouTube and on YouTube, and before that on our Discord and Bitcoin. Thank you for